Basically, at a psychological level, you are the question, who am I? You are that question. And once the question goes, you are gone with it. If there's a question, you are there. No question, you are not there. So by asking who am I, you are sustaining the I. There is no answer to this question. If the question realizes there is no answer, the question will disappear, and along with that, the questioner also is gone. Now what happens in that case? Suppose you are gone. Then how do you know that you are there in the first place? What happens from now on is, the observer becomes the observed. You are defined by what is being observed. Suppose you are in a room, the television, the walls, the lighting, the people around, because they are there, you are there. Remove them, you are gone. In other words, the teaching here is, the observer is the observed. That is, if there is a tree, because there is a tree, you come into existence. The tree only defines. In other words, you are the tree. Because there is a wall, you come into existence. The wall is what you have become. You are the wall, you are the tree, you are the other people. The observer has become the observed. This is for the enlightened person. But if you go into a still higher state of oneness, still higher state, then you will actually become the tree. You will experience the tree breathing, you will actually become the wall. That is a super state. We are not talking about those states. That also is possible, it may come, it may go. But what happens is, you are gone. And whatever is there, that only are you. You are nowhere. Therefore, you are everywhere. Whatever is there, that only is you. Not that you have become that, but because that is there, you come into existence. You are there. You are defined by the other. But the person is completely gone. So however much we explain this state, you cannot understand till you actually get there. But now more and more people are rapidly getting into that state. A lot of Westerners are also getting into that state rapidly. So I am sure many of you sitting there would soon be able to go into these states. Then you will know for yourself what it is. However much I talk, it cannot be communicated. You have to get there. And for that to happen, the speed at which the senses are coordinating, that must be slowed down. When you are seeing me, you are not listening to me. When you are listening to me, you are not seeing me. Every sense is functioning independently. But it is happening so fast, it looks as though they are all working simultaneously, and therefore you feel you are there. But if it is slightly slowed down, you are gone. That is why I said it's a neurobiological transformation. And I have the feeling that many of you are moving quite fast in that direction. I expect in the next few months that quite a few people should be able to get into that state. Now, a lot of people are moving into that state.